Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Virgo. Let's see what's going to happen for them in month of August. Okay, it is a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there. So just remember that. And if you're new to my channel, I do such readings like quick readings over here and also bonus readings for each sign. So if you're interested, you can subscribe my channel. And yes, let's see what's happening for Virgo in their love life in the month of August. I will pull out 3 cards for your person's feelings, 3 cards for your feelings, and then I will clarify as we go further. Let's see what's happening. What's happening for Virgo in their love life in the month of August? What's happening for Virgo in their love life in the month of August? Okay, 9 of Swords. Might be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Another air sign, 10 of Swords. Oh my God. Predominantly, many of you are dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. Let's see what you are feeling like in the month of August. Okay, the Moon, 10 of Cups, 2 of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the mutual feeling is 2 of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo. So, on your person's side, they are quite hurt. They might feel as they have been cheated, they have been betrayed by you, you have defeated them, there is nothing left. Stressed, super stressed, like your person will be super stressed in August. Maybe because there was a third party involvement, and why I am saying is this with because 2 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords, this is a clarification. There is definitely, a third party situation either from on your side or on this person's side. And this is creating all the hurt over here. Okay, maybe you lied to them that you're married because 2 of Swords and 10 of Cups are on your side. Maybe you are married and they did not know this. And when they came to know about it, they were like shattered. Okay, or maybe they will come to know. Maybe you kept this as a secret from your person because moon energy is also here. So definitely either it is you who kept this as a secret that you are married and you are dealing with someone else, or maybe you are going to get married to someone else, or maybe your family has being seeing someone for getting you married, and this person will come to know in the month of August that you have been lying to them, or maybe you are already in a committed relationship, or you were dealing with someone, or you may be married. So either it is you or your person, someone is going to get hurt, someone is to come, someone is going to see the reality for how it is, and they are going to feel shattered. Okay, reality is coming on the surface. Definitely these 3 cards clarify me that someone of you, either you or your person, was hiding something from the other person. Maybe you're married, maybe you're dealing with someone else, maybe you're wanting to marry someone else, and you have been hiding this from the other person, and that they will come to know, and they will feel as if you betrayed them, you defeated them, you lied to them, you cheated to them. So this is overall energy of what is going to happen in the month of August. Okay, this lie, these things whichever were being hidden from your person is going to hurt this person a lot. Like it might be you too, these cards might be yours too, that you will be feeling as if they defeated you, they cheated you, they lied to you, and it might be you too. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. There's nothing much what I can say. A lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights, crying, grief, feeling regret. Okay, or maybe you are going to realize that your person was cheating on you, they were hiding, like they were committed to someone else, or maybe married to someone else. Something is going to happen. Or it is also quite possible that for some of you, you're going to come out of a marriage, maybe divorce, For many of you, if you are into a married situation, something is going to happen, okay, and this is going to just shake you from the core, okay. Two of Pentacles, definitely, because someone is going to get to know that you have been juggling with another person. They will feel like being cheated, being lied to, being manipulated, being used. So this is the overall theme what I'm seeing here. Lie, betrayal. Some things are going to be revealed in the month of August, and this is for your betterment. Like, what if you are dealing with this person, and when you are too much involved into this person and you come to know that this person is involved with someone else, that is going to, you know, that longer the things takes to reveal, the more hurt we get with the situation. So it is better that you come to realization very fast. What I'm seeing with this Page of Pentacles is they did not have anything much to offer to you. With the person you're dealing with, they did not have, from the very beginning, this person knew they don't have much to offer to you. Maybe they were already dealing with a person, and they lied to you, they kept you in darkness, and you will realize that this person had nothing to offer you, okay. So it is a wake-up call, okay. A lot of realizations. With this Eight of Pentacles, this person might manipulate you and try to show you as if they are working on this relationship, they will make it better, they will, you know, change the situation. But what about the hurt you have felt through, you know, what are you going to do to melt down this anger, this stress, this anxiety? Nothing. Like, nothing can be done. So I think you need to focus on yourself. You don't need to focus on this person because they lied to you, or maybe you lied to them. So this is wrong, right? You don't need to do, you know, such damage to a person. Like, what is this Nine of Swords about? Ten of Swords. What more do I have to say? Like, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords, again Ten of Swords, Eight of Swords. Definitely a lot of hurt, anger, distress, anxiety, whatnot. They have cheated you. Either you have cheated your person and they will come to know about it in August, or maybe they have cheated you and you will come to know about it in the month of August. What is this Ten of Swords about? Yeah, dealing with two people at a time, Two of Wands, definitely. So there needs to be either there needs to be a choice that has to be done between two people, or there needs to be two. You might this person or you might come to a realization, and there will be two paths. Either to choose this person, stay with them in this betrayal, and just bear everything and keep your eyes closed, or to choose your path to walk strongly away from this person. What is this Eight of Swords about? I won't advise you to go with this person if this is your person who is doing this to you. Eight of Cups. Definitely, because it broke your trust, you are not going to trust this person again. You are leaving this situation. I'm seeing you leaving someone back. Like, you don't want this person now. You're feeling left alone, abandoned. What is this Two of Swords about? Yeah, I think they need to take, someone needs to stand up for yourself, and some new offer is going to come your way. A better person with firm and solid commitment offer. Okay, what is this Moon about? What is this Moon energy about? Yeah, Six of Wands. So I think this realization was necessary. This is done by the universe to make you understand and to make you realize that you don't need to be blindfolded and trust every person that comes your way. You need to open your eyes and sometimes, you know, go through hell to reach like the place of serenity and peace. Okay, so this was your test. Definitely this was your test. Quite testing period for you in the month of August. What messages and what advice do we have for Virgo for the month of August? What messages do we have from the universe? Kindness. Yeah, definitely. I think in the month of August, because of all I see you going through in the month of August, just be kind. Just let this person. Don't say anything. Don't judge them. Don't ask for explanation. Don't cry. Don't walk on this person and attack them. Just leave them. Just leave this situation. Just be kind to yourself. Okay, take this right decision for yourself and move away. If this situation is not making you happy, which I clearly see it doesn't, then just leave the situation. You need to be very kind. You need to show your decency. Just leave this person. Rebirth. Maybe someone better is coming in your life. Okay, yeah, someone better. Maybe this is a rebirth of you, a renewal, like because of all the things you will go through in August. Maybe this will open your eyes and open your heart to better things, what to believe and what not to believe in the coming future. You will be more aware when choosing person for yourself. Okay, let's see what we have from the handwritten messages. What do we have for Virgo in the month of August? What do we have? Okay, loyal. Yeah, someone loyal is coming in your life. That is what you need right now. Someone who is loyal, who is, perfect. Just being loyal and genuine and devoted to you. Someone is going to come, definitely, with this Ace of Cups rebirth. Faithful, yeah. You need a person who is faithful, who is trustworthy, who is loyal, and that is coming in your life. Crying. I think you need to cry out. You need to cry your heart out because you have been through a lot. Or maybe this is your person's energy. I'm picking up your person's energy maybe. Because you have done this to your person. Maybe they want to hear this right now. So if you're doing this, please don't. This hurts a lot. Okay. So just needs to cry out. Okay. To heal yourself. New job. Maybe new opportunities are coming your way regards to your job, your career, your finances, business, anything it can be. One more message is spirituality. You need to move and you need to gravitate to spirituality. All this is happening because you need to, you need to be more spiritual. You need to be more open to this world of spirituality to gain clarity in your life. This is what I'm seeing here. So this was it for Virgo. I hope it helps you in some way, and I just hope you're good in the month of August because you will be going through a lot. Okay, so yeah, this was it for Virgo. I hope you had some clarity in your situation. If you did, please hit the like button and see you in next video.